Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Hamilton Beach electric knife, model number 74250. So it comes in this really nice carrying case. So in order to use the electric knife, you're going to press the trigger right here. When you want to release the blade, you're going to press this button and the blades will come out. There is a protective sheath. You can take the blades apart. Right here you'll see they come apart. Move that there, and then you can wash these separately. When you want to put them back together, just line that up and move it there. Be careful, those are very sharp. Then you're going to slide them into here until they click. And it clicks. Then you give them a tug, they won't come out. And then all you got to do, it will only cut while you're holding the button. You got to kind of move it back. Now it does say this is 100 watts. It's got a really nice 2-prong cord and it is 5 feet long. So it does come with this nice fork that you can use to hold the meat. So let's cut some summer sausage with it. I like that the blade is angled right there a little bit. Got a cutting board here. I got a lot of control over it, and it's doing a really good job of cutting. Again, when we're all done, move this lever back. You can pull these out. Okay, so I've got them all washed up. I like this protective sleeve. There's a little place to put the knife, and then the fork right there. And you're going to put the knife right here, and we're going to wrap the cord up. So it can be a little tricky but getting the cord in, but just kind of tuck it down there and put the plug in down here, and then it's ready to close. So it's a very nice case. And the case measures about 11 1/4 by about 4 1/4, and height-wise you're looking at about 3 1/2. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.